In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your product backlog and sprints using Asana 5 minutes. We'll start by logging into Asana and creating a fresh board project dedicated to your product backlog. A board is perfect for visualizing flow and quickly spotting bottlenecks. Set up clear sections to organize work from idea to completion. Create columns named backlog, to refine, to sprint, in sprint, and done. Backlog holds raw ideas. To refine is where you add detail and estimates. To sprint collects work that's ready to be pulled. In sprint is your active work, and done is your completed verified tasks. Next, add custom fields so you can make better decisions at a glance. Include priority, story points, sprint number, scrum stage, and effort. Priority helps you sequence work. Story points give a capacity-friendly estimate. Sprint number ties tasks to a specific iteration. Scrum stage clarifies the current phase. And effort provides an extra signal for complexity or time. Add features or epics as tasks, then break them into user stories. Keep your stories small, testable, and clear. Use forms for easy submission so anyone can propose work that lands in backlog with default fields set. This keeps intake consistent and prevents chaos. Refine and prioritize the backlog by clarifying acceptance criteria, adding estimates, and ordering by value and effort. Sort and filter using your custom fields so the highest impact ready items surface first. Plan your sprints by checking team capacity and story points. Choose the top refined items and confirm they're truly ready. You can create a separate board project for each sprint or manage sprints as sections within your main project. Pick the approach that best fits your team's scale. Use a consistent sprint naming convention with dates to keep everything traceable. During sprint planning, move prioritized tasks into the sprint project. If helpful, keep tasks in both projects so you maintain a single source of truth without losing backlog context. Manage during the sprint by moving cards across sections, assigning owners and due dates, and keeping descriptions and checklists up to date. Set rules to automatically move tasks when fields change, like advancing the scrum stage or marking a task complete, so the board stays accurate with less manual effort. Use the sprint board daily to review progress, call out blockers, and plan the day's work. At the end, use the completed sprint board to showcase achievements to stakeholders, then run a quick retrospective. Analyze what went well and what didn't, using completed tasks as concrete examples. Keep completed tasks in the sprint project for historical tracking and hide them with filters when you want a clean view.